Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about the topic on 7 facts which everyone know but they don't talk about it on social media. Hi, welcome back to the video. Now today let's discuss about what are 7 things that people don't talk about on social media. I'm sure that there are things that you already know online which people don't talk about. Now number 1 is not everyone is going to like whatever you post. Now this is particularly true. When we see online, everything people post is good, or there's very few negative news about yourself, and usually those are news that are negative being posted. Majority of the time are happy news or happy moment that's being posted online. Now people like to see beautiful things. You know that there's no perfect world, and the social media actually is not the real thing on portraying the real person life. Now number 2, nice comment can be fake because you do not want to offend other people. So when you see people comment, yes, this is nice, I like this, and you comment yes, but deep down you actually don't like the thing, or you just want to follow the flow. So you know that this could be fake as well. So never trust comment that is being posted online. If someone do not like you or unhappy about you, it could be also a fake comment. Now number 3, when you post online and related to your families, there are people that could be looking at it as well, especially someone that you don't know when you go into the public feeds. You want to avoid this as well, because you never know if a scammer is actually plotting against those people that fit the right profile that you already have. Now number 4, people that hate you for no whatever reason, especially when you post on YouTube, you immediately can see that people that dislike you, they will go and put a thumbs down. On Facebook, no matter what post you post, they will not like you, or they give you a very shocking reactions. So try not to take it too seriously on all this social media emoji as well. Is it just someone that is very negative in terms of whatever you post? So just try your best to treat it as part and parcel of life, because there is always someone that like you and someone who don't like you. This is normal, and as you get more and more famous, more and more people do not like you. That is a fact. Now number 5, now people are not what they seem to be like when they are online. So when you're online, a person can portray a different characters. Until you meet the real person, then you get to know the real person in terms of the body language and the way they talk. Do they have an essence? So all this you cannot see online. If the person don't post a video, doesn't talk about himself, you won't be able to tell whether this person is giving good vibes or bad vibes, especially if you could feel energy, right? So always give yourself like a 60%, not portray this person to be the perfect person, especially if you have never met this person offline before. Now number 6, more than 50% of the social media account or profile pictures are fake. Now this is especially true if you're on Facebook. Now every day I will get countless of people wanting to join my groups and also be my friends, but they do not post a single picture of themselves, or when they post a picture, you can tell that picture itself is taken off somewhere, especially those beautiful ladies, or this, you can tell that these are fake profile. So all this profile, I will just block them, and they probably is sent or join into the group by using software. Always be aware and always know that the people they are adding in, what kind of people they are. Just take a quick glance. Is it someone that you do not want to add, just decline the request. Now number 7, girls especially, they like to dress themselves up and they like to post the most beautiful moment. That is perfectly okay, nothing wrong with that. However, they also at the same time must be able to take comments from others, and there are also ladies, men or ladies, who are jealous of you. That is for sure. With these 7 things that no one really talk about, I hope that give you a better idea of the online world and on the social media. It's not what you always see to be the beautiful side of the social media. So always exercise some cautious when you're posting any post. If you really need to post many times, I would suggest that you get a business account where you actually post related to your business, and also at the same time you have a personal link to your own personal profile, which allows you to filter the people that you want to add into your pictures, because whatever you put out, you will attract. So I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, do comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.